Good morning, friends. Myself, Sonune Prashant P, KBH Vidyalay and Junior College, Malegaon Camp, Malegaon. Now, in our chapter number 6, Mechanical Properties of Solid, we can see our new topics: modulus of rigidity, or it is also called as shear modulus. Shear modulus, or sometime referred to as modulus of rigidity. It is the ratio of shear stress to shear strain. The higher the value of shear modulus, then more rigid the materials. Shear modulus, it is also similar to the bulk modulus, but the difference is bulk modulus is equal to volume stress to volume strain, when the shear or rigidity modulus is equal to shear stress to shear strain, then the shear modulus or rigidity modulus is denoted by G, and it is describe the material which is respond to shear stress. Now we are go to shear stress, shear strains, and how to derive the equation for shear modulus. Let's consider the box or block having length is L, small l, and one side of the box or block is fixed. When we apply the deforming force, at parallel to one of the surface which is get opposite face is fixed, it is deformed into parallel pipe. Now in this situation, shear stress is equal to force upon area. Therefore we have write down F upon A, where the force is the force which act on one of the face of the structures, and delta x is the area on which the force is act. So the shear stress is equal to F upon A, that is deformed force per unit area. When we apply the force F, it displays one of its surface delta x. From its initial position, now shear strain delta x upon L is equal to, we have get displacement with respect to initial length. Then here delta x is the transverse displacement caused by force, that is F, and small l is the initial length. So the shear strain is equal to delta x upon small l, that is displacement upon initial length. Here the shear strain is also denoted the terms of theta. Therefore in this case the triangular shade or shape delta x is perpendicular and small l is the base. Therefore, we have get the equation tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is in notation delta x upon small l, and theta is shear strain delta x upon l is equal to tan theta. Therefore, shear modulus is equal to shear trace upon shear strain. It is the definition of shear modulus or rigidity modulus. Therefore, in notation form, we have put the value of shear stress F upon A, shear strain's value upon tan theta, its particular value delta x upon small l. Therefore, here delta x nothing but to the perpendicular of this triangle and small l is the base. Therefore, we equal to F into L upon A delta x. Now, it's equal to F upon A upon tan theta. Now we know the tan theta's value. Tan theta value is delta x upon L. Here it is in a reciprocal form. So tan theta in denominator. Or in terms of theta, shear modulus is equal to shear stress upon shear strains. Both are equal to, now the formula of shear stress F upon A, deformed force upon the area, upon here shear strain is nothing but to the delta x upon small l, that is the tan theta, is equal to F upon A tan theta. It is equal to F upon A theta when theta is very small. Here it is the shear modulus we have seen.